train your English voice to use not plus anybody, anyone, or anything. We use not plus anybody, anyone, or nobody, or no one for people, and it has the same meaning. Let's have a look at some examples. There isn't anybody at the service desk to help me. It means the same as there isn't anyone at the service desk to help me. And the same with there is nobody at the service desk to help me. It means the same as there is no one at the service desk to help me. So let's have a look at a question. Who is at the service desk? No one, and it means the same as nobody. We use not plus anything or nothing for things or objects. For example, there isn't anything left on the shelves. It means the same as there is nothing left on the shelves. Remember to use the negative verb plus anybody, anyone, or anything. For example, he doesn't have anything to do. Or the positive verb plus nobody, no one, or nothing. There is nothing left to do.